Start my marching through right left. Well, welcome to today's workout. I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. So have a quick look around you, check both sides, check there's nothing you're going to stand on, bump into or trip over. Well done. I always work out in bare feet, but if you're happier in trainers, that's fine too. If you've got diabetes, you need to really make sure you check your feet afterwards, and it's probably safer to wear trainers. Let's march 2 forward, 2 back. Side step. So we're keeping it quite small because we're just warming up and the music's relatively fast. Ready to march 2 forward and back again. 2 forward and back. Well done. Remember to pace yourself during the workout. Really isn't a problem if you make everything smaller to get to the end. If you want to make it harder, you can move the arms a bit more vigorously, make bigger steps. Or you can do the opposite. In a moment we're going to do side steps. We're going to go to the left instead. Are you ready? To the left, stepping together. So step, touch, well done. Ready to march, 2 forward, 2 back. And when the music changes, we're going to take it to a tap out to the side. Are you ready? Tapping out, tap either side. Keeping the shoulders relaxed, just let the arms swing. So you can add a little bit of a bounce if you want to make it harder. So I'm just doing a little knee bend, or you can just keep it really small. Got to be what's right for you. So I'm taking it to a slight lunge for those who want it a little bit harder. Lifting the elbows up if you want to make it harder and work those back wings, but if it's not, it's fine too. Your body, your workout. Last 4, 3, we're going to go back to 2 forward, 2 back. Ready for side steps to the right. March it forward, 2 and back. Well done. March and side step even to the left. Side step to the right and left and right. Change sides. So just doing a double step in the middle to change. And the arms swing. And march it through. 2 forward, 2 back. Well done. Keep on moving through the gap. Let's take it to a side step. I want you to move slowly over towards the left of your mat. So just make those steps a little bit big one side, smaller the other. 2 steps. Well done. So make that as small or as big as you need. So I'm medium sort of size, but if you want to really make it big, you can add a little bit of a hop in the middle. If you want to make it smaller, keep it here. Hold it here. Let's tap the feet out to the side. 3. Touching the toe out, just standing on one leg. 4, 3, 2, and change. 1. Move across a little bit. So bending the supporting leg if you want to. You can just keep it small. And change. For 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. twos. Last time, we're going to go back to that double side step. Touch out for two. Take it back. Well done. So putting the two moves together. Well done. So if you want to work the back of the arms, lift the elbows up. If you don't, just let them swing and relax. So you can just let them swing across and stay here. Keep it smaller if you need to. And a little hop if you want to make it a bit harder. Really up to you. I like to keep it low impact. Last one. Side to side. I'm going to change the arms here. Forward, back. So I'm going forward, touch the shoulders. Reaching right forward, touching the shoulders. If you need to make that smaller, that's fine. If you want to add a hop, you can. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 steps. Touch out. Back. 2 steps. 2 touches. Whoa. 2 steps. 2 touch outs. Hold it here, touching out side to side. Touching forward, back, forward, back. Well done. Last. Let the arms down if you need to. Last couple, and double side step. If you need to make it small enough, you're feeling a bit out of breath, that's fine. But if you don't need to, really put something into it now. Well done. Singles. So bringing the feet in together. Ankles should be comfortable, so if your ankles are beginning to hurt, really do make it smaller. Your ankles will get stronger the more you do this. And always, always, you can wear trainers if you prefer. Double step. And back. Well done. Right, left. So the harder you lift, higher the lift the knees, the harder you're going to work. Try and keep those ankles and feet soft. Let's take it wide. So when you take it wide, you might want to turn your feet out a little bit. Be aware of how your ankles feel. To each side. Arms. I call my choo-choo arms. Well done. So really turning out the hip. Doesn't matter if it's only small. Higher you lift the knee, the harder you're going to work. Let's march it on the spot. Lift those knees high, if you can. Well done. Take it wide. In for a count of 4. That's 4, 3, 2, and 1. 4, 2, and in. And 2. 1, 2, 3. In for 4. 2 count, 2 in, 2 out, in, and wide. In. Well done. So make it as small as you need to. If that's as much as you can manage, if you're still moving, that's fine. But if you really can, you can make it with a little bit of a dip in the middle if you want to. Hold it here, march. 3, 2, 1, and a tap. 3. Or a knee lift if you prefer. Take it single knee lifts. Push down. So if that's too much, keep it as a toe tap. But if you can, you're pushing down, pulling the elbows up at the back, really feeling that in the back of the arms. 4, 3, 2, and march. And I want you to pause, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Take it wide. And in. Take it wide, 8. In for 4, 3, 2, out for 4, 3, 2. In for 4, out for 4. Well done. In for 2, out for 2. In. So you can make this as small as you want, marching it through. You're going to start to bring the body down, cool down a little bit. Bring the heels in front. So little heel digs. Stay facing me. I'm just turning so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm not doing really strong bicep curls now. I'm just letting the arms relax. Pause here, we're going to take the right leg out and in, out and in, out and in. Now if you want, you can bring a little knee lift up, take it out to the side, and up, out and across. But if you don't, just bring it out and in, out and in, out and in. But keeping the arms low, really working that hip muscle, again to help you balance. Let's change sides. If you didn't get that change over, that's not a problem. Just catch up when you're ready. It really doesn't matter if you're not on the same beat of the music or if you're on the off beat, fine. More important that you just get some workout for your body, improve your strength, improve your cardiovascular capacity. Couldn't say that one today, could I? Let's take it back to a toe tap together. Keep those arms nice and relaxed, but keep them moving. Try and really relax your shoulders. Taking the foot across now, toe tap across, and heel dig in front. You've done really well today. Take the toe taps out to the side. Again, arms are nice and relaxed. Shoulders at least. Just swinging the arms gently, elbows relaxed. Well done. Heel digs in front. Take that to toe taps. Now I'm going to change it slightly. Try and pull your belly in and not arch your back as you take the foot behind. So you might want to lean forward slightly. It makes it a little bit easier. Feel a little squeeze on your bottom and your bum. Okay, you can tell I'm English. I use different words. I know a lot of you watching this are in the States. I'm going to use the terms I'm used to. Take it out to the side. We're going to finish today's workout with a stretch. So taking the feet about hip width apart, I'm going to ask you to take your right foot back. I'm going to turn so you can see what I'm doing. Watch both feet are pointing forward. Knee is above the ankle, so we're not shooting it all the way forward. Nice big lunge position. Holding that there, turning the hips to face the front. Have a quick look back at that back heel. Watch it hasn't slipped in. You should be feeling it in the calf. Holding that there. Hands on the thighs, well done. I'll ask you to lift and lower your heel a couple of times. So just coming up onto the ball of the foot, taking it down, getting that foot back. Just check it's not slipped in again. You're feeling the stretch in the calf muscle. Just the foot until you feel that stretch where it's best for you. Well done. Let's change legs. Bring the legs in, about hip width apart for balance. A bit wider if you struggle with your balance. And again, watch the knee position. Knees roughly above the ankle, foot back far enough so your foot's on the floor. So you might be here to get the stretch, or you might have your foot a long way back. But keep that knee so you can see your toe. Check those feet are pointing forward. Hold a chair or wall if you need to. Nice straight line from the top of the head through the heel. Try and turn those hips to face forward rather than letting that hip drop back. Well done. That's all for today. Bye for now.